You seem to like the lasagna recipe, so here's something a bit closer at home. Olive oil, butter, garlic, pork and beef mince in. Sweat it down in that garlic. You don't need to colour it. People say you do, but my left scrotum, I don't think you do. Get your veg in, carrot, onion, celery, leek. Give that a little sweat down. Season it with the best salt in Australia, Olsen's. A bit of pepper. And then we're going to go with a little bit of tomato puree. Cook that down a wee bit. Then in with red wine. Reduce that down like 3/4. Then you're going to make a gravy. I'm using a bit of veal jus that we make with a little bit of gravy granules in, but you can just use gravy. Get it in. A little bit of Lee and Parents. I want to slowly cook this overnight. Oh yeah, don't forget to put a bit of a bouquet garni, thyme and rosemary. Slowly cook this overnight in the slow cooker, like 7 hours on low, and it comes out like this. So at that point, I could have made mince and dumplings by making some dumplings, putting it on and giving it a roast, or cottage pie, and we all decided cottage pie. So make some mash, you know how to do this, bit of butter, then add some eggs to it, right? So this makes it set up and it makes it go crispy, so your mash doesn't go all sloppy and minging. A little bit of nutmeg, a little bit more salt and pepper. Look, I'm not going to lie, I ran out of mashed potatoes, so I give it a little bit of a how's your father, made it work, a little bit of cheddar cheese on top, give it a bake, and it's as simple as that, man. But look, if you put the eggs in the mash, I think it's a pomme duchesse, if I remember rightly, it just makes it a little bit crunchy, holds a little bit better. Hope you enjoy.